Folks, today we will talk about one of the best and cheapest cloud hosting platform that instantly gives you more speed, more savings and less work. That is Cloudways. Cloudways is unique because it offers services from different other hosting platforms like DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, Linode, Vultr. It is very affordable and it has a fantastic 3-day free trial if you are interested. Today we are going to dive into a full Cloudways review. So let's just log in first. Here comes our mail ID. And as always, I will leave links to Cloudways down in the description along with one special discount for you people. So guys, this is the dashboard. There is one more dashboard comes to this Cloudways. This is the beta program. We are currently in the classic. So in classic you can see the layout like that. It is the server tab where we can create one new server. Here it is the application where we can launch one application for us. This is the team section where you can add your team members here and give specific controls to each one of them. Here comes the project that you have created earlier, or this is created by me yesterday, and we are going to create one more project today. And here comes the affiliate. If you want to come into the affiliate program of the Cloudways, you can register here. So before we just create one server, I will talk about the Cloudways WordPress feature. If you are a WordPress user, then Cloudways WordPress hosting is that it's fully managed. It means that Cloudways take care of all the technical aspects of running a WordPress site, including server managed, security and backup. This allows you to focus on creating content and growing your business rather than creating about the technical details of the hosting of a website. In addition to its fully managed hosting solution, also offers a range of features of benefits including easy to use control panel, free SSL certificate, 24/7 support, automatic backups, advanced security features, scalability and solution. So today's we will create one server. First click here, launch now. Here we will select the application. So we are going to create one WordPress website on the top of the server. We are selecting the version. Now we have to type our name of the app, name of the managed server, test project we have created previously. We can select it, or we can create more project names. So here you can see there are multiple cloud providers that I have talked to you about before, so you can choose any one of them as per your need and requirements. So today I will choosing DigitalOcean, and we are choosing 2 gig of server size. Location, you can select location as per your where you are residing. So we are taking Sydney for now, and we can launch it. So our server is creating in the backend. It will take around 7 minutes. Let's wait for. These are some of the features that Cloudways provide. Unlimited website or traffic per server, transfer server and billing to the clients, seamless team collaboration, organize your clients in a smarter way, 24/7 expert human support, real-time performance insights via CloudBot. So they have one CloudBot service here. I will show you. Flexibility to upscale and downscale anytime. So we can upscale and downscale our servers anytime, and free SSL certificate. So here is the Cloudways bot. So it will give you all the notification of your server, application security and servers. So you will get notified whenever there is one performance or application or security servers issue, or there is any update on that. So this CloudBot will notify you once you logged into this Cloudways dashboard page. So here they have also tell you about how you can take your first website live into Cloudways in 3 simple steps. So they have provided multiple guided presentations that you can check, and you can take help from that. So let's wait for our server to come up.
A few moments later.
Our DigitalOcean test server of 2 GB of RAM has been deployed, and now we can just click on this test server. Here you can see your all master credential you can need for SFTP and SS access or for all the applications. So they have give you all the details here. You can launch SS terminal from here. So here is we can just log in from this using our username and password. This is our username and this is our password. So we have logged in. So we got Debian GNU Linux here. Let's just go back to our dashboard and let's talk about other features of them. So here comes the monitoring part where you can monitor your server. All the details will be here. So here is the server health, RAM, how much amount of RAM is using from the 2 GB of. So here comes your CPU, 27% CPU is currently under use disk usage we got from 50 GB, bandwidth usage, and it will comes application wise details. So this is our disk usage of applications that has to be done. So let's come to manage service. In manage service you can check what services are being running on your server. So right now MySQL, Memcache and Apache has been running, and also Nginx, PHP, Redis, Varnish. So we can get all the console level access, so we can restart, stop, enable as we can go. Here comes the setting package. So in setting package you can define your execution limit, upload size, memory, everything you can do it from from this control panel. In advanced you can put the PHP parameters, limits, and also in the MySQL section you can define MySQL connection limits, maximum connection limit, and Nginx also you can define all things from here. So it will take a cache lifetime 4 hours for Varnish. Packages, so you can check from here what are the currently installed versions of your software which is running on the server. In optimization tab it will show you all the optimization setting you can perform for your server. So one of the cool feature of the Cloudways that I have seen is that it is on the top of all these unmanaged hosting that you get from outside. It is kind of managing it from itself, so any non-technical person can also build a server from Cloudways very easily. So this is one of the cool features of Cloudways. From optimization you can check like disk cleanup, remove all the files from temp. All these you can do it from here. No need to log into the server and delete from there. Maintenance, you can schedule a server maintenance from here. You can pick any date and time, so your server will be in maintenance mode for that particular time. Let's go to security tab. Here comes your security, where you can whitelist your IP for SH FTP and also for MySQL. You can add all the entries here, all the IPs that you want to whitelist. Rest all will be denied. Vertical scaling, so we can scale our servers from current 2 GB of RAM to increase it to 4 GB of RAM. Also we can store like block storage, we can add here at any phase of time. We can also attach the block storage from here. So let's go to there and we can perform vertical scanning right now. So currently it is showing like this is our $24 for monthly. When we goes to this, it will like 46. So let's scale it now. You are about to scale your browser. Please remember that once you initiate the process, it cannot stop until it completed. If you are GC or Amazon server, you can scale it down easily, but for DigitalOcean Vultr, you have to go through the process of cloning. Okay, it will go through the process of cloning. Additional scaling can take 10 minutes depending on the size of the data, and also it will be inaccessible for a minute. If you want to scale your server now, you can proceed button, otherwise click the cancel button. Okay, let's see how much time it will take. So be getting this notification like it will be ready in next few minutes.
A few moments later.
So now you can see our test server has been upgraded to 4 gig of RAM. So vertical scaling is now completed. Now it is comes to 4 gig. So this is the current server details what we get on this. It has some other cool features like backups, so you can define your backup settings here. You can schedule it, backup frequency, you can do it one day on the hourly basis as well. Backup retention, you can increase it as per your requirement. You can local disables, you can disable, enable. So offsite backup size, current backup size is 0 MB. So this is like a test server, so it is not very huge. We can also take backup right now. So let's go to SMTP. Here we can define our SMTP services, mailing services. So you can select SMTP service. You can your own SMTP or Elastic email. You is subscribed now to add-on section. So once your email has been subscribed activated, you can send your email, send test email to check whether it is functionally running or not. Here you can get the add-ons. So there are multiple add-ons, you can use it from here. Rackspace email, Cloudways, Astra Pro. Also there are APIs section. You can create your API here. So we have also get the option from here to stop, restart, delete, add application, transfer server, clone server. So let's do one thing. We will add one application here. Now we will add in WooCommerce. So our test project is the project name, add applications. Let's do. So our application is being added in 2 minutes. So overall I have been impressed with Cloudways hosting and the Cloudways WordPress hosting. The platform is easy to use, reliable, affordable, and making it a great choice for business of all sizes. If you are in the market for a reliable, affordable, and cloud hosting solution, then I will highly recommend giving Cloudways a try.
A few moments later.
Second application is now being deployed. We can check it from here. So it is deployed. So first one is our test app, that is we have created while installing the server, deploying the servers. Now the second app is also installed. Let's go from there. So here you can get all your second application details like the first one. So we get like two multiple options here, like first app and also the second app. So we can add multiple apps from here. So guys, this is all about the Cloudways and this is my review.